I have listed all the apps I used while learning Japanese, but not normally. I have listed them in a tier list. First, we have S rank hunter apps, then A rank, B rank, C rank, D, and finally E rank like Sangjingu. And the first and the last apps are the most important apps. So first, we have app which everyone uses, and it is called Anki. And I'll put it on S rank because Anki has spaced repetition. It allows you to learn kanji, which is the hardest part of the language. I think grammar is also hard, but kanji is quite hard, and Anki is the only solution for that. Anki can also help you in Hiragana and Katakana, but for Hiragana and Katakana, we have other competitors like these pros. But I think Duolingo, only for Hiragana and Katakana, is superior than Hiragana Pro and Katakana Pro. Hiragana and Katakana are learned by someone who is just starting the language, and it is very important that he should enjoy learning them, otherwise he will quit. And there Duolingo comes. Duolingo gives you gamification. Duolingo makes this process much more fun than these pros. Even when I learned Hiragana and Katakana, I also learned them from Duolingo. And if I didn't learn them from Duolingo, I am sure that I would never learn Japanese. So Duolingo goes to A rank and these pros go to E rank. Moving on to the next, for speaking, we again have two competitors, HelloTalk and Tandem. And I have personally used HelloTalk, but I have also downloaded Tandem. Like when I downloaded Tandem, I couldn't find where were the voice rooms. So in my opinion, Tandem is bad because I couldn't find voice rooms. HelloTalk has many features like movements, voice room, text. HelloTalk is superior. I will say Tandem can go to C rank, and HelloTalk with its voice rooms and movements which helps you to socialize goes to B rank. I put it to B rank because there are better ways to speak Japanese. You can speak to directly natives through video calls. You can join Discord servers. There are a lot of better ways. Next app is called Migi JLPT. It is an app that you should have on your mobile because it helps you to take Japanese quiz. It has all JLPT level sample papers, and it has also the same time limit as the JLPT. It is good to give tests once in a while, so Migi JLPT is quite good. You should have it on your mobile, and it goes to A rank. The next app, I can guarantee that you have that app on your mobile, and that is YouTube. YouTube is just best. For example, you are watching my video on YouTube. There are Jules videos, there are Liva Kiwi videos, Kyodori Sensei's grammar lectures are on YouTube. If you want to immerse, there are YouTube videos of Japanese creators. And YouTube is also easily accessible. YouTube UI is good. One tip I can give is that please turn off your watch history so that the YouTube shorts get turned off. Because shorts decrease your focus. For example, let's say you are watching a Kyodori Sensei's grammar lecture, and if your focus is low, you will quit the lecture, and they are not good for your health. It will cause you problems in long term. Please turn off shorts. It will save you a lot of time for learning anything, not Japanese, learning anything. Shorts, if you don't watch shorts, it will help you very, very much. And if you want to watch shorts, please watch from someone you like. Start going doom scrolling. And it's a generic advice. You want to take it or leave it. It's your choice. And so back to the topic, with all these advantages of YouTube, and if you have turned off your watch history, YouTube goes to not S rank, YouTube goes to triple S rank like Kaneki Ken. And so this is the tier list. I have listed all the apps I ever used for learning Japanese. And now you can watch this video if you like this video. I will see you there.